Okay, so today what I'd like to do is show you my herbal offerings that I make. And I'm going to show you what I do, and I'm going to encourage you to see what you find resonance with and what works for you and what you feel drawn to do. But I like to make these little stick bundles, and I carry them in my pocket. I have like a little bag that I carry with me. I keep them in here, and I make offerings. I make offerings to my garden. I make offerings to the forest. And how I came about doing this was I was always making medicine with rosemary or lavender, and then I would always have these sticks left over. I just would have piles of these sticks. And what happened is I fell in love with these little sticks. And it just came to me to start wrapping them. And I'm a crafter. I grew up crafting. My grandmother, my mother, we always did crafts together. So it just comes to me. And I have a little bowl here of, like, we live near the ocean, so I have shells. We have an alder tree, beads. I just put things in here that I think I would like to be part of my offering bundles. And then I look for sticks. I have a lot of lavender sticks that I work with, but I also, we live in the redwoods. You could work with these, like these are redwood sticks. These are pine sticks. I've got rosemary sticks and bay. So we've got some bay stick here. And yeah, let's see what else. Today I went on a walk and I found some oak that's covered in usnea. These are going to make beautiful offering sticks. And, so again, it's like we're trying to cultivate our relationship with the earth, right? The herbs, the plants, Mother Earth. And one of the ways that opens the door for the earth starting to speak with us more is, for me, it's making offerings, just saying, hey, here, Mother Earth, here's a little gift for you. And so it's very simple. What I do is I have all kinds of embroidery thread and string. And it's super simple. You just find your sticks and you get them so they're just right, and you wrap them. And you see what you're drawn to. See what you're drawn to adding, putting on there. And when I wrap my sticks, I say a little prayer. I say, thank you, Mother Earth. Thank you for everything you teach me. Thank you for all the wisdom, all the medicine. This is a little offering that I'm going to be making. I'm going to keep on my altar, keep in my pouch for a while until I get ready. And I'll offer it to my garden, or I'll offer it to a place where I sit and listen to the earth. And yeah, so the thing is, it's, we all have when we start, it's just like a friendship. You're wanting to cultivate a friendship with somebody. You bring them some soup, or you say hello every day. This is a rhythmic way that I say hello to the earth on the new moon or the full moon, or whenever I receive a harvest that I think is so incredible or so beautiful. I have my little stick bundles that are of me, from what I gather, all the things I gather at the beach and on my walks. And, so you hear some people, they offer tobacco and other herbs. And so, like, I don't live where tobacco grows, right? And tobacco, I don't really know that plant that well. But for me, lavender is one of my allies. And so is rosemary, right? So when I'm garbling my rosemary, garbling means you separate the part from the plant that you're going to use from the stem. So I have my rosemary stems, and this is another one of my allies. Rosemary is big medicine for me for a long time. And so instead of just composting these sticks, I just fall in love with them, and I just make little bundles. And you can wrap them with colorful thread or plain thread, beads, so I know what I'm going to do with this. And just let yourself have fun with it. So we have an alder tree, and I was going to wrap this alder on here. But you see how this could be something you can do with children. It's just a creative way to make a little offering. And so the thing is we're asking for relationship from the earth, right? And so this is my way. This is a way that just came to me organically as a way to make offering. You can offer water. If you're gardening, you're probably already making lots of offerings. But maybe just take a moment and start to ask yourself the question, how would I like to make offerings to the earth? To let the earth know that I'm paying attention, that I'm watching, that I'm listening, that I'm apprenticing myself to her, that I want to learn more. I'd love to know how to take care of her better and how to receive her messages and her teachings in a way that I can understand and resonate with. And so when you start asking yourself that question, how do I say hello? See, this is a hello. When I make this offering, I'm saying hello. I'm saying thank you. I'm saying it's a greeting, right? This is a form of greeting. And you just start asking yourself that question, how would I like to greet the earth? Or I have a gift for you. And the thing is that when you start doing something like this rhythmically, maybe on the new moon or the full moon or whatever's right for you, and if it doesn't feel right for you, maybe just find some way you can sing a song, you can just say out loud, please teach me how to say thank you, how to say hello, and then see what comes to you over time, right? And put it out there that you want to hear from the earth more. You want to take care of her more. Dear Mother Earth, how can I take care of you more? What can I do? How can I help you? What's your teaching today? Right? And so, yeah, we greet out loud. We ask for the relationship. We look for the resonance of what offerings are really from our heart. See, now I've made these with my head and my hands and my heart, and the earth responds to emotion. The earth responds to love. Recently, the oak trees told me that they just want the humans to love them again. Like, where'd they go? Where'd all the humans go? Where'd all the love go? So this is one simple way. Oh, that hole's too small for that. That is not going to work. Uh-oh. Okay, I think I'll go for a shell then. How do you say thank you? How do you say hello? What do you feel drawn to make an offering with? So these are shells and sticks from the ocean and from my yard and from when I go on a walk, and I've turned them into something that's heartfelt and full of love, very simple. And then I just keep them in a little bowl and think about them and love them, and then I'll carry them with me and take them out and make offerings with them. So find a way that you enjoy to say hello to the earth, and what kind of offering would you like to make to Mother Earth?